So one thing that I noticed sa mga clients ngayon na nag-hire ng recruitment or HR sa companies nila, most of them are part-timers. Hindi sila nagpo-full-time because meron na tayong tinatawag na ATS, so filtering candidates easier na, and then schedule interviews, and then pag na-fill na yung role, that's pretty much it for the project. Ngayon, meron din akong isang client na ang hinahanap niya na recruitment ay onshore. So, kahit Pinoy ka, kailangan meron kang ability to find candidates from different parts of the world. Since nasa HR role ka na ngayon, it would be best na yun pa rin yung i-offer mo na service as a freelancer. Some of the most common tasks ng HR for freelancing is yung recruitment, searching for candidates, connecting via LinkedIn, making sure na yung LinkedIn mo is optimized for global candidate search. It would also be good to know kung paano ba yung LinkedIn process or yung lead generation process for candidates. So, yun yung mga bagay na pwede mong pag-aralan. In the meantime, habang pinag-aaralan mo yun, dahil may HR experience ka naman pwede ka na maghanap ng mga recruitment na positions sa mga platforms like Upwork. I always recommend talaga Upwork kasi lalo na kung papasok palaan kayo as new freelancers, dapat hourly contract sa Upwork yung makuha ninyo para siguradong bayad kayo. Pero again, if pinag-aaralan mo na rin lang naman si LinkedIn, edi might as well matuto ka na rin kung paano mag-lead generation sa LinkedIn. Pero instead of candidates na yung hinahanap mo, clients din muna. I hope that makes sense. Let me know if you guys need more clarity do sa mga nabanggit ko. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home, follow from or work from home chismis. Bye!